Oh no, my face is even frozen on my screen. Hopefully this will work out okay. Okay, so I'm sorry about tonight's party. They announced yesterday that they were going to be 31 announced yesterday that they were going to be showing the live broadcast of our summer product premiere. And so, of course, it started at 8 o'clock. So I tried to get as much of the party, Kenna's party together as possible that I could have pre-posted and, kind of let the party take care of itself. But I was an absentee consultant tonight, and I do apologize for that. But girls, wait till you see what's coming up. Oh my gosh. It's incredible. Um, the reason I'm telling you this is because, first of all, let me tell you, there is three different, there are three different categories. I can't remember what the first one was. The launch party was, or the premiere party was an hour long. And I can't remember what the first category was. Screwing up my brain trying to come up with it. Oh, it's just a fun pop of color. The second one is a baby line, an entire line of baby stuff. And then the third one is it's kind of like a World Bazaar type thing, really incredible, bright, bold, beautiful prints. Um, the reason I'm telling you this though is because right now, through the end of the month, through February 28th, you can join and have the opportunity to sell these products. You can join for just $1. $1. And then when people see these products, they are going to go nuts. I'm telling you, they're awesome. They're amazing. So you can then order or sell stuff and make 25% on every item that you sell. And then also in your first 4 months, your first 4 30-day periods, you can also earn or have the opportunity to earn an additional 25% to use towards products for yourself or business supplies for yourself. Girls, if you have ever even thought about it, if you've ever even thought, I could use a little extra money, my dishwasher needs to be replaced. Well, for a $1 investment, you can replace that dishwasher. I'm telling you, it can absolutely happen. So think about it. Ask me whatever questions you want, and I will be here for you. I know I'm coming to you from somewhere strange. This is my bedroom. We don't have closet doors on because they're just a waste. But I'm in my bedroom because we had an Envirothon meeting downstairs, and I couldn't even watch the premiere downstairs because nobody else is allowed to hear any of the information. But if you sign up with me this week, I can get you a copy of that product premiere. Oh my gosh, you're gonna die. It's amazing. So I will look forward to a couple of you signing up for just $1, and I will help you with your launch party, and I will help you with everything else. And otherwise, don't forget about tonight's flash sale going on. You can save $10 or $15 on your build your own bag bundle, or your, if you want to call it, your Studio 31 bundle. So make sure you get that sale, and make sure that you put your orders in so that Kenna can have a real nice donation to the Carroll Hospice in honor of Kenny, or in memory of Kenny. All right, thanks girls. Have a wonderful night, and I will see you back here tomorrow night at 7:30. Thanks. Bye.